Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So yes, I'm coming to you with the CVS haul for the week of August 12th, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So I went ahead and did two transactions, one on each card because I do have two cards. So as you can see, I did a lot of body wash. I did the Dow hand soap deal, the Hershey's, the CoverGirl, and the Physicians Formula soft soap added with the body wash and the panty liners. So let's go ahead and do one deal per card here. So the first thing I did was the soft soaps. Okay, so the soft soaps are 2 for $7. And when you buy two, I believe, you get a $4 ECB. I did have a 2 off of 8 body wash CRT and a 3 off of 10 body wash CRT. You can stack those because they are different CRTs. So what I went ahead and did was I picked up 2, which would equal 7. Then I picked up the cheapest body wash that I can find. These were, I don't know the name brand of these. I guess, yeah, they're like not a name brand. But I guess they're like a CVS brand. So I picked up these. These are on promo of buy one get one half off. So this one was $1.99 and then half off was 99 cents. So that put me at $9.98. So I was able to go ahead and use the 3 off of 10, the 2 off of 8 CRT. So that brought it down. And then I had 2.75 cents off of one coupon. So I had one clip to my card and then one paper one. So with all that, it came to $3.48, but I got back a $4 ECB, making it 51-cent moneymaker. So that was a good deal. Now on my second card, I did the same thing. I bought 2 soft soaps and 2 of the buy one get one half off. Now this time I did have a 75 cents off clip to my card, and I had another paper coupon. I still had the same 3 off of 10 body wash and the 2 off of 8 body wash. And the 2 off of 8 body wash CRT was actually clipped to my card already. But when I got to the register, it was saying that the 3 off of 10 wouldn't apply. So she said maybe if I get a filler item, then it would. So I went ahead and got this little cute little soft soap. Isn't this like the cutest thing? Anywho, these were on clearance for 44 cents. So as soon as she rung it up, then the 3 off of 10 came off. But obviously the 2 off of 8 got taken off, and it didn't apply until I saw the receipt. But anyway, so those 5 items on that card was $5.92, but I got back a $4 ECB, making it as $1.92 or 48 cents a piece, which is still good for soft soap. Under 50 cents for any kind of body wash is the bomb. Next, I did the Dow promo. So I bought 3 Dows here. I don't know what the promo is. Let me see. Get 3. Buy 3, get a $4 ECB. So I got the hand soap. So some of the hand soaps were different prices. I'm not sure why, but I thinking the 2-in-1 was the one that was higher. Yeah, the 2-in-1 is $3.49. Then the other one is $3.49, and then it's buy one get one half off. So the half off one was this one, which was $1.69. So I went ahead and got those 3. So that was $8.57. Now I did have 3.75 cents off of one little hang tags that we were getting like the beginning of the year. You can find them on just these, and it was just for the foaming. So I used 3 of those, and it brought it down to $6.32, but I got back a $4 ECB. So I think it was like making it like 70 cents, I want to say. So that was a good deal to get those. Then I did the CoverGirl deal. So the CoverGirl deal is spend 12, get a $8 ECB. So I went ahead and got the cheapest mascara I can find that would get me to 20. Because I had a 5 off of 20 CRT, and I also had those 3 off of 1 eye coupons. So I bought 3 in this transaction. So these 2 were $7.49 a piece, and then this one was $6.29. So with those, it came out to $21.27. The 5 off of 20 apply, and then I had 3 of the 3 off of 1 eye products that came to $7.27, but I get back an $8 ECB, making it like $1 and like 73 cents. So that was a cool deal right there. But I had a 4 off of 15 CRT that I went ahead and used also. And I combined that with the Physicians Formula, because this one was, I believe, spend 15, get 10. Yeah, spend 15, get 10. So I bought this foundation. This was $15.49. I had a 3 off of 1 Pilly that I found at Walmart, so that got applied. Then the 4 off of 15 got applied. So the $3 took that to $12.49. Plus this $7.27 came out to $19.74. Then we used the 4 off of 15 CRT, so it brought it down to $15.76 for all my cosmetics. These 3 and plus the Physicians Formula. So all together was $26.35. I used $26 in ECB, so I only spent 35 cents plus tax. So I spent $3.70, and I got back $26. So I got 8 for the CoverGirl, 10 for the Physicians Formula, 4 for the Dial, and 4 for the soft soap. So I broke even with that transaction. I spent 26, got 26 back. I also, within that transaction, I did the Hershey. So the Hershey is $3.79. Yes, the Hershey is $3.79 this week. We are getting the instant $2 off coupon from the Red Box. And I had a $1 off cookie layer crunch CRT from last week, so that got applied. I did have a 75 cents off of any Hershey's candy coupon, but I guess that didn't get scanned because I should have just paid 4 cents for it. But since that didn't get scanned, I only paid 79 cents for the pack of cookie layers, so that was a good deal there. My next transaction I did, like I said, I explained the soft soap already. I did the same transaction for the CoverGirl. This was a money maker here. The only thing is I did the panty liner. I had a CRT 2 off of 2 panty liner that was expiring today. These are normally $1.19 at my store. So that 2 off of 2 got applied. So I only spent 19 cents for those panty liners, which was a good deal. So my second transaction, including the soft soap, the 2 generic soaps, and the soft soap little travel size, the panty liners, and the CoverGirls, my total came to $13.57. It should have been $11.57, but that 2 off of 8 did not get applied. But you know, hey. So it was $13.57. I can use $13 in ECBs. So I only spent 57 cents plus tax, and my total was $268 out of pocket, and I got back $12. 4 for the soft soap and 8 for the CoverGirl. So that was a good deal. I look back on my card, and the 2 off of 8 is still on my card. So it's a hit and miss when it comes to clipping coupons to your card. But yeah, I just wanted to come to you guys to show you the haul that I did. It's a good deal to go ahead and get the Dial soaps if you do have those 75 cents off of one. If not, I think they'd be like $1 and some change a piece if you don't have the 75 cents coupon. Also, I I would rather do the CoverGirl deal only if you have those 3 off of 1 coupons. If not, you can pass this deal and save that 5 off of 20 some other time. All right, so thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.